Hey guys, Matt from Dudes Camping here. Today I'm going to show you a recipe. It's one of my favorite recipes on the trail. For less than $4 and 8 ounces, you can get a 600 calorie meal. It's called ham, mashed potatoes, and gravy. I know, original name, right? But at the end of the day, when you have hiked miles and you just want to sit down and have a good home-cooked meal, you got to try this. I'm going to show you today how to make it. If you're tired of those instant add hot water meals, this is the one for you. Only needs 4 ingredients. First ingredient, smoked ham. It's a can of smoked ham, but don't worry about the weight on this because it only weighs 5 ounces. You can get this for $1.34 at Walmart. You're gonna need some instant mashed potatoes. You can get any flavor you want. These things come in all sorts of flavors. You can get this at Walmart for $1. Some instant turkey gravy. This weighs 0.87 ounces. You can get this at Walmart for 88 cents. And last but not least, you're gonna need 2 cups of water. This whole thing here weighs 7.87 ounces. That's pretty good. 66.7 calories per ounce, which, you know, you want to shoot for at least 100, but you just add some more mashed potatoes to this, you'll probably be up there to 100 calories per ounce. It's a total of 525 calories, 58 carbs, 20 grams of fat, and a total of 26.5 grams of protein in this little thing right here. I like to use my X-Pot. This thing comes in quite handy. Heat 1 cup of water. If you're using the whole packet, heat 2 cups of water. As you can see, water's starting to boil. Add the water to your mashed potatoes. Mix it up. If you have a lid for your bowl, go ahead and put the lid on. You want to keep this warm. And if you have one of these, this is what's called a rehydrator. All right, now add 1 cup of cold water to your bowl. Take your gravy mix. There's your gravy. Go ahead and start your stove back up. You're gonna wanna let this thing get to a boil. While it's cooking, open your can. If you have a can opener, easy. If you don't have a can opener, like me, you use this little can opener on your tool. I haven't even got my can open yet, and my gravy's boiling. What you want to do is bring the heat down just a little bit, kind of chop up your ham inside the can. As you're doing that, just kind of roll it right into the gravy. You don't want to drain this because that juice in there is actually going to add a lot of flavor. Stir it up. Just stir this until it's thickened. Get your mashed potatoes out. Now you can do one of 2 things. When it's ready to go, you can actually take the mashed potatoes from this bowl into that bowl because it'll save you a little bit of the cleanup. This is going to be the most messy thing that you clean up. Or you can just take this and just pour it right on top of the mashed potatoes. Either one. For aesthetic purposes, I'm going to pour the gravy and ham onto my mashed potatoes. And there it is. Ham, gravy, and mashed potatoes. This is one of the best tasting meals that you'll have on the trails. And yeah, it's a little cleanup, but I'm telling you what, this is like at the end of a long day hiking, you're gonna thank me for giving you this recipe. It's not that hard to do. I just figured it out from looking at the stuff that was cheap at Walmart. Wow. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Have you tried this meal? Have you tried something similar? Do you actually have a better idea? If you do, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and that bell for notifications so that you'll get all of our backpacking recipes. Once again, this is Matt from Dudes Camping. I'll see you guys on the trail.